Hi guys, happy Thanksgiving and welcome back. In today's video, I'm talking all about holiday shopping. So if you are trying to get your plans together for Black Friday and beyond, stick around. Okay, so the first item that I want to talk about as a gift idea is a BOXYCHARM subscription. If you don't know what BOXYCHARM is, it's a monthly subscription service and it's all beauty items. So it ranges between hair care, skin care, cosmetics, and sometimes tools like brushes, or I've gotten a flat iron before, hair dryer, stuff like that. And it's an overall value of at least $125, but you are only paying like $25 to $30. What I like most about this box is the surprise factor, so you're definitely getting introduced to brands and items that you would probably otherwise overlook, and it's a very low effort way to guarantee at least a few minutes of me time through the month, no matter how crazy and busy your schedule is. So monthly subscriptions are $25 a month, but if you pay like 3 months at a time, 6 months at a time, or even the entire year up front, you can save a few dollars that way. Also, you can add upgrades. So BOXYCHARM has recently added a quarterly upgrade called BOXYLUXE. Quarterly, so every 3 months, BOXYLUXE, it's $25 additional, and it's taking the value of the box to at least $275. So if you have a makeup lover in your life, but you have no idea what to get them, don't worry about it. Let somebody else make those choices for you, and then you can take all the credit. If you don't know how to sign up for BOXYCHARM, I do have a link down in the description box. Everything that I talk about today will be linked down in the description box. Or you could just Google it. Google BOXYCHARM. It's everywhere. Oh, Murray must have a bell or something. That's weird. So next, this is the Belif Moisture Miracle Set. This is retailing for $38, and I've got this through Sephora. Hold on, let me take this stupid thing off. It's glaring. This includes a 50 ml moisturizing balm. This is normally $38 alone. Then you get a 5 milliliters moisturizing eye balm. That's right here. And a 30 mils of Aqua Balm Jelly Cleanser. This is super critical for anybody who has very combination skin who kind of struggles through the winter time. I'm typically like super oily combination, like very combination, especially going into like the skin stress months. You know what I'm saying? Ugh, it's a mess. So I use this to moisturize day and night. It's super lightweight. There's no fragrance. It's very exciting too to see this pairing, you know what I mean? This grouping. So the eye balm and the jelly cleanser working together with that moisturizing balm is really gonna be helpful for those people with combination skin through the winter months. So this is a super great value. Okay, now, man, he's really getting it with that bell. So next this is the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Carnaval Getaway set for $25 from Sephora. This comes with a 90 ml Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel, a 50 ml Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, ooh, and a 30 ml Brazilian Crush Hair and Body Fragrance Mist. It won't focus. Have you smelled this? It is heaven in a bottle. So the fragrance on their website is described as addictive notes of salted caramel and pistachio. Agreed. Never mind like the moisturizing power, but like just this fragrance is like a shot of summertime and sunshine when you really kind of need it, when it gets bleak and gray, you know? It instantly lifts your mood. Never mind, it totally revives your skin. It's not greasy or gummy, it's just very creamy and long-lasting hydration. So this little set includes, it's a little baggie, which is awesome, and you get this small little shower gel, this small little fragrance for your hair and skin, which is genius. So genius. And a travel size of the Bum Bum Cream. So what this means is that you could really layer on that scent. You'd be smelling good for your life. You could layer the scents, or you could just use that spritz in your hair or just like on your skin very lightly for just like a nice little boost of yumminess. So with these 3 items in this size, it's a $33 value, but you're only paying $25, so. All right, next. The Glow Recipe Damn Bright set for $49 from Sephora. This set is a $65 value, and it includes a 30 milliliters Pineapple C Brightening Serum, a 30 milliliters Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, and a 10 ml Watermelon and AHA Glow Sleeping Mask. You guys, this pineapple serum is so good. If I wasn't recommending it here, it would definitely make it into a favorites video. So here's my bottle that I've been using to death. This stuff is formulated with 3 types of vitamin C, and it's got 22% pure pineapple juice in it, not extract, juice. So all that makes for a super concentrated cocktail of like brightening and magic for your face. I've been using this like nearly every day since this arrived in a BOXYCHARM. There is a noticeable difference in my skin. So I'm typically very combination, and my makeup is practically sliding off my face by the end of the day. And I don't have that issue at all when I use this. So you would think that that would mean that that's drying my skin, but that's not the case. So what makes your skin oily is when it's thirsty, and your skin compensates the thirstiness, the dehydration of your skin, by overproducing oil. So if you have oily skin, it's because it's dehydrated skin. Since I've been using this, my face has not been super oily, and my facialist has even noticed the difference. I typically get facials at the end of the day, like after work on a Friday or something like that, and she noticed that my skin is more hydrated since using this. So that's huge for me because I am so oily. So this serum is typically $49 alone for this size, and you are getting a full-size one in this kit with a blueberry gentle cleanser, which you could always use one of those, and a hydrating sleeping mask. Boom! What's not to like? Next is the Amika Perk Dry Shampoo. This is $25. You can find this at Sephora. This is hands down the best dry shampoo I have ever used. There. I said it. I discovered this brand a couple of years ago when I received a sample size in a Birchbox. I have been in love, like heart eyes emoji. I have been in love with this ever since. I have repurchased this so many times. It's been repackaged, like the package is different from when it started, and I've just like lost count of how many I've gone through. I'm like a major dry shampoo user, so I'm always trying out new dry shampoos all the time. Is more expensive better? Is cheaper better? Is this brand better? Is that brand better? I always come back to this. So in addition to smelling absolutely delicious, it has like a sort of fruity, vanilla-y, coconutty, but not really, just fresh type of a fragrance that actually it lingers, but not in a I'm gonna give you a headache kind of a way. It's also formulated without any aluminum starch or talc, so you don't get that dusty, chalky feeling. Do you know what I'm saying? You touch your hair and it's like a powdery, feels creepy on your hands. You don't get that with this at all. There's no color in it at all either, so there's no white cast. Do you know how rare that is? You can use this on every hair type: thick hair, thin hair, coarse hair, curly hair, straight hair, all kinds of hair. Most notable, it is formulated with sea buckthorn berry, which is some kind of crazy superfood that they have discovered that's really proven to be good for women's health, for hair, skin, nails. You are controlling the oil of your hair, reviving your style, and improving the quality of your actual hair. So Sephora is also offering a few different gift sets that include this in, I think, travel sizes. So give those a whirl if you want to make this a combo set for whoever you're buying for. Okay, next. Do you hear that? Where is that coming from? This is the Benefit Cosmetics I'm Hotter Outdoors holiday set. This is on sale for $30 at Ulta. This is a $68 value. What? For $30. Let me show you what's inside. So inside you get a full-size roller lash mascara in black, a full-size Hoola matte bronzer, and a full-size Gimme Brow gel in shade 3. It all comes in this adorable and reusable tin, so you can keep all your treasures inside. So this little set is giving you pretty much all the staples that you need for any level of look, whether it be like full guiche glam or natural. Roller Lash and Hoola are holy grail products, so this really is a no-brainer. The mascara I think is like $20 alone. You're getting the bronzer and the brow gel and this tin. Look how cute it is! They're also making other of these sets, and they're all in these little camper styles. It's so cute. Gosh, Benefit has the best packaging, right? Take that, Too Faced. Okay, where is it coming from? I'm going crazy. Do you hear it? Next is the E.L.F. Cosmetics Precision Sponge Trio for $12. You can get this at Ulta.com, or you can buy it in store at Target, maybe some other places, but definitely Target. These are so good. so good. So you get 3 of them. These are ones that I've been using. They're dirty, filthy. Don't look at the dirt. Once they are wet or dampened, they grow like this biggest one turns into this guy. Look how big it is. And then the medium one turns into this guy that's almost the size of that one dry. The small one turns into this guy. They're so good. They're so squishy. They work perfectly with cream and liquid products. They don't soak up too much. I mean, it's a sponge, so it's gonna soak up some, but they also work really, really, really well with powder products, which is why I love them so much. These are so good, and for the price point, you're getting 3. A regular beauty blender alone is $20, and I don't even really like them that much anymore. These might have copied the beauty blender, but I'm telling you, they're kind of killing it. So if you're looking for a stocking stuffer item, this is a good deal. This is the Soap & Glory Scrub 'em and Leave 'em Body Scrub for $15 at Ulta. You can also find this brand Soap & Glory at Target and some other drugstore type places, like drugstore type places. So Soap & Glory is a brand that does not get enough play, in my opinion, and I love literally everything they make, especially bath and body products. This is a body scrub that you use in the shower. You rinse it off for silky smooth and hydrated soft skin. Soap & Glory makes a few different formulas of body scrubs. This particular one is great because the fragrance is a little bit more neutral. It smells almost cologne-ish, like maybe a little manly-ish, like soap, you know, less like fruit or flowers, you know, it just smells clean, like clean soap. And it doesn't linger, so it won't interfere with your regular fragrance that you might like to use. The last thing that's so great about this is the value. Good God, you're getting 10 ounces, 300 mils, this whole container filled for $15. And it's not like some container where like this much of it is the bottom. Like, see, it goes all the way down, and that's what you're getting in there. I love it. It's so good, and even my husband is using it on his crusty winter bod. Okay, next. Murray! He's not even up here and the door's shut. Where is that noise coming from? Next is PopGrips. This is a PopGrip. So if you have not discovered the PopGrip yet, you are behind grandma. It's a phone grip, essentially. And it was originally meant as a means to keep your earbud cords from getting tangled. You just run them around here, but it is multifunctional, which makes it the best kind of gadget. So one side adheres to your phone case. It's like super duper strong, sticky adhesive. And then the other side pops up for you to prop up your phone, slide your hand behind it. You could tuck it into a surface mount. They make these little hooks that hold them like this. And then you can hold your phone with one hand, you know, use your phone, whatever. The way that I use this the most, aside from just like setting it down and it just sits there like this, holding your little phone up while you're washing your face and watching YouTube, or putting your face on and watching YouTube. I'm laying in bed holding my phone like this, and then I fall asleep, and if my hand drops down, I don't drop my phone on the ground. Genius! So the maker of PopGrip is PopSockets, and that's where you can find these, popsockets.com. You can find them at pretty much any checkout counter of every gas station on earth. So they have expanded their line to all kinds of accessories that work with the PopGrip, but these are great stocking stuffers. You can make custom designs. Picture of your lovely cat or dog or baby, whatever. These make really great gifts for like work colleagues, your secret Santa, your kid's teacher, any of that stuff. Anybody who likes not dropping their phone. So everyone. What is even happening? This is weird. What? Did you guys notice all that? Okay, anyways, we have one last thing to talk about, okay? What? Okay, so the last thing that I want to talk about for your holiday shopping is the Bath & Body Works 3-wick candle. This is sweater weather. These 3-wick candles are available at Bath & Body Works. They retail for $24.50. $24.50 for a candle. Are you kidding me? No, I am not. I would pay $50 for this. I will never stop loving these candles, ever. I have a candle problem. No, I keep a stash of these in my house because I'm able to do that because I take advantage of the sales. So these candles are always going on sale. You just kind of have to keep your eye on it. Sign up for those coupons too, girls. They come in handy. And then what you do is swoop in for the kill when they're at their weakest. I mean, when they're cheapest. Every Black Friday Bath & Body Works has a major sale where pretty much the entire store is buy 3, get 3 free. The entire store, everything in the store. So that means you can buy 3 candles and get 3 candles free. 6 candles for the price of 3. These candles are scented with premium ingredients, essential oils, none of the fakey cheap smelling stuff. They all come in a glass container with a lid, so that means that when you are wanting to extinguish your candle, you don't have to blow it out and getting smoke everywhere and the wick is all crazy. You just smother it. Because these are 3-wick candles, as you can see, when they burn, you get a really nice melt pool and they don't tunnel. You know that weird thing that happens when your candle's burning all wonky? You don't get that with the 3-wick candles. These candles are truly what brings all the seasons alive in my house. Cinnamon, peppermint, sweater weather. I've talked about this before, maximum stinkitude. Okay, the Christmas spirit is alive and weird in my house. The decorations are multiplying before your very eyes. There's just jingle bells all everywhere. You hear that? Is it just me? No, can't be. Come on. Okay, so that's it for my 2019 holiday shopping recommendations. I hope that they were helpful. All of the items that I talked about today and showed you will be linked down in the description box of this video, so just click down there to find them. Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I hope you're having a great Thanksgiving with your family, your friends, at home, at their house, at a restaurant, wherever you are. Have a great day. If you are going out shopping on Black Friday, remember this. This is very important. Hang on. I have to put on my serious glasses. Black Friday isn't Black Friday until it's Friday. If you go out shopping on Thursday, you're part of the problem. Let's keep Black Friday on Friday, shall we? Be safe out there. Don't trample anybody. Be nice to people. Bring snacks. And I will catch you next week in next week's video. Bye! Fuck. Come on. BOXYCHARM. What about it? I mean, can you even tell the squishiness? No, you can't on camera. I'm sure that looks great on camera. Rude. All right, that's a solid minute of me just primping. Moisturizer.